My name is Suman, and I have been knowing Ram Maturi for several years now because I knew him ever since I was living in Chicago. That's about 20 plus years ago. And quite often in my interactions with him, he would always say, because I was one of those risk averse, believed in safety of my funds and investments to the extent that I would put my money in Reserve Bank of India bonds and State Bank of India deposits and not even trust, other banks and so on. And Ram would often tell me those days that, Suman, it's time that you should not be working for money. Money should be working for you. And yeah, you are just letting not even your money not even catching up with inflation and so on. Now, honestly, I didn't put much attention to him, and he used to always say that you should do something what you like and not just work because it gives you good money. Well, I mean, I was honestly not doing that, but nevertheless, when I came out of the corporate world about 4 years ago, and I started doing things which I really which I always liked. Of course, goes without saying, it wasn't paying as much as a proper corporate senior role would have paid. But then that was the time when I came across Ram once again. I bumped into him literally when I was in Hyderabad once on work. And he was talking about Jamā and how he has built up this startup and looking for investment portfolios from people like me and several other colleagues. And of course, I would trust Ram and Jamā and put in some money, and it gave decent returns, good servicing, personal attention. And slowly, of course, I increased my stakes. I put in a little more money, and that has grown reasonably well, I would say, both the mutual fund portfolios and the equity stock portfolios, much better than what I would have expected in a bank. While the risk factor, of course, remains that one has to live with, but at the same time, what I have gotten so far through a few ups and downs in the last 3 years, I think it has been pretty satisfactory, or I'm very happy as of now. But things can always change, as we all know. But thank you, Ram, for all the things that you are doing, and wish you all the very best. And I'm sure there are a lot of people who can benefit from your services if they are willing to believe in what you are doing. So that's it for now, and all the best once again. Thank you.